Okay, you would not believe the emails that I've gotten already about this video. This video is about golf. So all you people that are getting a little bit crazy with the title, we're going to talk about hooking or slicing in golf today. A lot of my golfers are back at it with the season, and we actually are seeing a lot of people that come in with a really bad slice. They hit the ball and it curves out. They're having a tough time with their slices. So we're actually going to talk about creating a hook. So we want you to become a little bit more of a hooker. Now for those people that are out there that already hooked the ball, this still applies to you, but we're talking about changing ways that we're getting our swing to help us hit the ball straighter. And if you're a slicer, we want to change you towards a hooker for that. Really the two big things that the golf professionals talk about for slicing or hooking is golf grip, and the other is stance or weight shift. Now the golf grip, go talk to your golf professional about that, because that grip is one of the things that can affect how you're swinging. But the weight shift is what I see here in the office as part of the problem. Most of our people that are golfing, if they have any sort of low back tension or have trouble with their hips, their golf swing and their weight shift is off. And when that weight shift is off, most of the time our right-handed golfers start getting a really bad slice. So one of the things that you want to make sure of, if you're starting to see the ball slice, and especially if by the middle of your game, at the turn, or when you're getting close to finishing up, if you're starting to see those balls slice more, there's oftentimes a problem with the low back musculature, because you're not getting your weight shift correct and your hips aren't able to follow through like they're supposed to. So one of the big things to help stop the slice and actually assist some more people to try and get straighter or even hooking a little bit is making sure that you're getting your low back adjusted for that weight shift. So if you are having a slice issue, it's time to come in and get the low back adjusted so we change that pelvis shift and help you hit the ball straighter. And if your slice is really bad, we'll start to turn you into a hooker so you can hit the ball straighter into the fairway. So this is our golf tip for the week. Make sure if you're a bad slicer, it's time to change you to a hooker. And the best way to get that is to make sure that we get that low back squared away and get that weight shift corrected. So if you have questions with your swing or having issues with that golf swing, come on in, we'll take a look at the low back, make sure the pelvis gets taken care of, and we'll get you back at it for our golf season. So this is our tip for the week about slicing and hooking. So we'll talk to you for next week's tip.
We'll be right back.